Okay, so I want to show you how to create some content for a business page, your VIP page or your business page. So first you're going to go to your business Pampered Chef page. So mine is Sue's Cooking, www.pamperedchef.com or PWS Sue's Cooking. So now that I'm on my page, this is where customers go to order. I'm going to go to the blog. And in the blog, there's going to be all kinds of cooking tips. So now I'm going to open a separate tab and I'm going to go to Post My Party. And I'm going to create a new template. So I'm going to go to templates, or here you can just click create template. And we're going to call it 2020 Fall Blog. And so now I'm going to add a post. So I click add a post and I'm going to go back to the blog and I'm going to find a specific item. So backyard bucket list. So let's go to that one first. So here are information that you can use. Now I can either save this image and save this to create a post and do individual posts for each one of these, or I could just copy and paste the URL. So you can copy this, do web link, paste the web link, and just say, summer's not over until Labor Day, right? So what is on your bucket list this year? So that's going to be on day one, and I'm going to post these either first thing in the morning or late in the evening. I will do it at 8:50 p.m. and then I'm going to do a new one so that people are kind of winding down. So you can do individuals here and click each one, or again, you can do just the link up here. So let's go to cooking tips. So I'm going to go to another category, and on this one, I am going to click read more about the pressure cooker, and I am just going to copy this. I'm going to go create a post. I'm just going to paste it in here, and then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to save this image and double click it or right click it depending upon what kind of computer, and it's going to say pressure cooker. And remember to put them in folders for sorting. So quick cooker, elemental PQ, quick cooker. I have two albums called Quick Cooker. Okay, so now I come here and I'm going to add a photo. You click photo, and then you come down and I click here, and we go to pictures, and then we go down to Q for quick cooker, elemental PQ. And it was the first quick cooker I put it in. I thought, there it is. And that's going to be on day 2. And again, same time, 8:50 at night. And I'll just do this every day so that they have something interesting to look at from my Pampered Chef website. So again, you can come to food and drink. So you can just pick out different topics. So you can save the photo. So click the photo so that it becomes larger. Whoops. And then right click it to save as, and then you want to label it. So this, I believe, is the kale sausage in the wok. I think it's in the wok. It might be in the stainless non-stick. Oops. And you want to save it. Yeah, I think that's the wok. It could be the all-purpose pan. We'll have to read. But weeknight favorites. So you can pick which one you want, and we can come up with recipes in each one. So these are just different tips and ideas on what you can put for your blog. Hope that helps.